Hello everyone. In today's session, we will see how to create any Python script executables with the help of PyInstaller package. So in today's session, we will see how to create Python Tesseract script executables for Windows operating system with the help of PyInstaller package. So let's see that. The steps are as below. First of all, you need to create a virtual environment. Then definitely you need to have a script, Tesseract script, which will uh, extract text from any image. And definitely you need to install two packages for sure. One is PyTesseract and another one is PyInstaller. So PyTesseract package will be used to extract text from any image, and PyInstaller package will be used to create Python script executables. PyTesseract package won't work if on Windows operating system the user does not have Tesseract OCR executables. So for that we need to download Tesseract OCR executables.exe file from the given link. So for that you need to go to this link, and over here you can click on this particular link. Over here you can download any version of Tesseract OCR executable as per your computer specification. So I will download 64-bit. So I have already these executables in my download folders, and I have already installed Tesseract OCR exe on my Windows machine. So if you don't know how to install this Tesseract executables, this Tesseract exe file on your Windows operating system, please watch my earlier video on Tesseract OCR on Windows, and its link is available in the description box, as well as in top right corner you will be able to see that card. So it's very easy. Just you need to download that Tesseract OCR executable from the given link, and the only point where you need to provide your attention is over here. So when you start installing Tesseract OCR on this particular screen, you need to check if you want to extract text other than English language. You need to download additional script like Arabic, Armenian, Bengali, as well as you need to download additional language data such that Afrikaans, Arabic, Assamese, as well as. And once you have ticked all the required script and language data, just you need to click next, and you will be able to install Tesseract OCR executables on your operating system, on your Windows machine. So once this Tesseract OCR executable has been installed, it will be available in this particular directory, C program files Tesseract OCR. You just need to run this particular command, PyInstaller --add -data path to the Tesseract OCR executables semicolon dot script name. Over here what we are saying to the command, PyInstaller command, that we want to add Tesseract OCR executables as well as in our directory, so that the script that we have prepared can work smoothly. Because if we are not going to add this Tesseract OCR in our distribution folder that will be created after running this command, in that case script won't be able to extract text from any images, because Tesseract OCR executable is the must part for any Tesseract OCR script to work on Windows operating system. So let's see in action. So just to showcase the things, I have already this Tesseract OCR executables in my C program files Tesseract OCR directory, and I will run that particular command. Okay, so before executing that command, I will go through the script that I have prepared. So this is the tester ocr.py this is the script that I have prepared. So what it will does is it will first of all import the required packages. Then I have defined a function called extract underscore text, which will return text from an image. So I will fetch working directory, then I will define tesseract.exe path, which the script need to know to work to extract text from any images. So what will happen that when we create executable of this script, in that case that particular script, that particular .exe application will try to look in that particular folder for Tesseract OCR executable. So this is the path that we have provided, where it will go to look for Tesseract OCR executable. Then we have used tk packet to provide prompt to provide pop-up menu to select image from which we need to extract the text. Okay, so by this command file dialog.ask open file, it will provide pop-up to the user to provide the path to select the image from which we need to extract the text. And finally we have used static path where we will write that extracted text to the test.txt file, and then finally tk package will show that where the extracted text lies in that particular folder. Okay, so let's use that particular command PyInstaller. So this is the package which we are using to create script executables for Windows. Add data, so Tesseract OCR executables and all the folders and all the files within this particular folder Tesseract OCR will be included in my distribution directory, and I want to create tesserocr.py scripts executable. So this is the file name. I will put enter and it will run the process. We just need to wait for a few minutes. Okay, so once the process has been completed, we will have two different folders. So we will have these two different folders, build and dist. So the important one for us or for any end user is the dist packages. So within this dist package we have folder called tesserocr. So this is the name based on the script name. So whatever the script name I have, based on that script name we will have the folder name in the dist directory. Over here you can see that we have two things. One is the Tesseract OCR executables that this PyInstaller package has copied from tesserocr directory. So this is the one, this is the important one. And then this tesserocr exe file that has been created from tesserocr.py script. So when I double click on this application, it will ask me to choose the image, and once I have selected the image, it will provide me the extracted text in the command line. So that is like judge me when you are perfect. So this is the text from that image, and also it will provide me prompt that text file has been written to d codes repository ocr dist tesserocr test.txt. So at present I have used static path to store the text file, but you can also create it as a dynamic. So you can see over here, this is the test.txt file that has been created by extracting text from the image. Okay, so like this is how you can create any script executable for the Windows operating system with the help of PyInstaller package. So in case if you want to transfer anyone else to use this particular package, in that case you need to provide them this entire dist package, so they will be able to use that particular script executables without installing Python or its any packages or any other dependencies. And the one last thing is we have one more command. So instead of like at present we have this dist package, within this dist we have the tesserocr folder name, and over here we have so many files. So instead of all these files, if you want to create just one executable files, that is tester ocr.exe, if we want to just create this executable only, in that case we can use this command pyinstaller --one file, and other arguments will remain same. But the only drawback in this case will be, in this case we need to do two things. First is I need to comment this particular command which will redirect script to the tester ocr executable. So I need to comment this particular command, and then I need to run this pyinstaller command. And once this python once this entire executable has been created, and when we transfer that particular executable file to the end user, in that case end user must have to install tesseract ocr executables and put it into the path environment variable. Otherwise, in that case, whatever executables we have created with pyinstaller package won't work. So like this is how you can use pyinstaller package to create tesseract python script executable on Windows system for Windows system. So that's it for the day. Thank you everyone for watching this video.